Hello, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Today we'll be making this gorgeous little pinafore dress. So let's begin. Fold your piece of fabric in half, trim away any excess material to get it level. Then measure how long you want your dress to be. Mine was 13 inches long. Now cut along the measurement you've made, and this will give you the skirt pattern piece of the dress. If you're using scrap pieces of fabric like I am, make sure you trim away any raw edges to neaten up the pattern piece. To create the mid part of the dress, measure two pieces of fabric measuring 9.5 by 7 inches long and cut these out. Now for the straps, cut out another long piece measuring 4.5 inches wide and approximately 44 inches long. Mine was 44 inches long. All the pattern pieces are ready. Now it's time to stitch them together. For the skirt, we need to first create a fold where the elastic waistband can fit through. My band measured 1 inch wide, and the fold that I did measured approximately 1.5 inches. Secure with pins carefully, then stitch all the way to the end. Now measure your child's waist and cut out an elastic band from this measurement. Using a safety pin, secure it at the end of the elastic band and push it through the fold you created with the skirt pattern piece, just like so. To finish the skirt, fold it right side together, secure it with pins and sew along the edge like so. Now take the two small pattern pieces, put them right sides together and sew along the edges, leaving one edge open so you can turn it inside out like so. Now position the two pattern pieces together like so, halfway along the skirt, secure with pins, and carefully sew along to attach the two pieces together. Turn the skirt inside out, and there you have it. You have your main part of the dress complete. Now fold the strap piece that you cut out earlier in half, pin it together and sew along all the way around like so. Remove any excess fabric and trim away any sharp corners. Then fold the strap piece in half and cut right in the middle. Now you have two strap pieces for your pinafore dress. Turn these inside out like that, and then sew along the edge of the straps. This will give you a much cleaner finish. Now position the straps onto the dress like so. Now I pinched the strap slightly to give me sort of this cute fold, and it just created a nice look. And you can do the same if you like. Pinch the strap, pin it to secure it, and then just sew along the top. The straps will be secured at the back of the dress with a button. Now you need to measure where you want your buttonhole to be on the straps. Mine measured 18 inches long. Carefully create a buttonhole on both straps, the width of your button. I created my buttonhole using zigzag, like so. But you can also use your zigzag foot of your sewing machine to do this. Lastly, position where you would like your buttons to be at the back and hand stitch these into position. And your dress is now complete. My daughter loved her dress, as you can see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.